This is a 15-minute indoor walking workout. The first move is going to be part of our warm-up. So if you're ready to start walking at home, let's get started. So we're going to begin with just doing this side step. So just go from one side to the other. So it's a really nice way just to warm up your body as well, just prepare it for that workout ahead. So what we're doing here, you can see the arrow on the left, that represents approximately 30 seconds, and every 30 seconds we're just going to change that indoor walking exercise. And then we'll have a look at your next move coming up. So then we're going to travel it forwards for 4 steps, and you're going to push your both arms directly up. So let's get ready and just travel that in front, pushing both arms up, and then travel that back. Good. So just keep going by adding that arm exercise in here as well. Just makes it a little bit more challenging. So now we're really conditioning and strengthening through your heart health. Pushing that up. And then you can see next move coming back. We're just always going to go back to that first move that we did, that fast little side step. So just bring that back now and take that to that side step. And the great thing is it's really easy to do indoor walking. So days when you can't get outside, this is perfect because walking is one of the most natural exercises that we can engage in. All right, that's good. Going from side to side. And let's just have a look at your next move. So for this one, we're going to travel forwards and just do a leg kick for 4. And then travel that back again. So let's get ready. Just kick that leg in front, opposite leg, just keep alternating, add in the arms when you're ready. So what we're doing here, we're engaging a little bit more through your core. And just kick that leg in front and take that opposite arm out at the same time. And then you can see there, we're then going to flow straight into that next move, just taking that back to that little lateral side step. So let's bring that back. So today we're going to aim to complete 2,500 steps. So you can see your approximate step counter at the bottom, which is a new feature that I've put in for you. Do let me know in the comments down below if you like having that, so then I can always use those in future videos. All right, that's good. So let's keep that speed up. So next move coming up, we're going to activate a little bit more through the back of the legs, through the hamstrings. We're going to do a hamstring curl, and we're going to just draw the arms in. So arms are up, now draw them in as you take that leg behind. And again, travel that forwards for 4. So if you have limited space, you can always do these moves just on the spot, or if you have a bigger room, then definitely travel around the room, make the most of the space that you've got. That's good. And then just keeping that nice and controlled. Think about where we're working, back of the legs on that one. So now bring that back. Keep that side step so you can really bend through with the knees, work through those arms as well. So here, if you think about it, we're working multiple joints. We're working your ankle joint, your knee joints, your hip joints, elbows and shoulder joints. So this routine's really good for your mobility and joint health. Next move, we're going to travel forwards for 4 and then do 4 power punches. So let's get ready for this one. We're going to take it 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now hold it here, give me 4 power punches, and now travel that back. So just keep repeating 4 power punches and then travel that forwards. Make sure you keep that upper body nice and straight. That's good. And again, this one's really good to work through the abs, plus we're working your arms with those power punches. 4 in front and then travel that back. All right, well done. So let's bring that straight back now, back to that side step. So again here, just think about all the joints you're working, all the different muscles, and because we're doing that lateral side step, we're really activating your inner and outer thighs. So next move coming up, this time we're going to take your arms directly up. We're going to keep them above your head, and we're going to just travel forwards and back, kind of in a bit of a zigzag. So take your arms up and just step it wide, go from one corner to the other. That's good. So here we're having to engage your core a little bit more because we're not using your arms to help sort of propel you forwards. That's good. And keeping that going. Plus your heart's having to work a little bit harder because we're taking the arms above heart level. Last little bit, and then we'll get ready. Just release those arms, shake them out. That's good. And let's bring it straight back now to that side step. And keep a nice little bend in the knees. And as I always say, remember what you're doing in this 15-minute walk today. You are investing in your heart health, your bone health, your joint health, your metabolic health, and your mental health. So next move coming up, this is a really nice one. We're going to tap the foot in front, and then we're just going to swing both arms over. So if you struggle a bit with the coordination on this one, just start doing the legs first, and then you can add in the arms. So point that foot in front. Just do a double arm swing over. So this one, you'll really feel this working through the waist. We're really targeting those oblique muscles. That's good. And just keeping that going. Tap that foot in front. Last little bit, and then we'll take it straight back to your side step. And also, can you see there the amount of steps we've already done? So that's already over 1,000 approximate steps at home. And you can do this workout any time in the day if you want to do it in the morning, afternoon, early evening, and it's great to do. You don't even need to be in workout gear. You could even do this in your pajamas. It's simply just about moving more at home. So your next move coming up, we're going to travel forwards for 4 with a knee lift, and we're then just going to do rolling arms, and then we're going to shuffle back. So forwards for 4, and now shuffle that back. Take that knee up, up, and one more, and now shuffle that back. So add in those arms when you're ready. So you're just doing those rolling arms and shuffle that back. And the great thing is with these exercises, they also really work your brain health and brain fitness, because we're having to really engage multiple moves as well. So it's really good for your coordination and muscle and mind connection. So let's bring that straight back again now. Doing really well. And as your qualified trainer, I've been teaching for over 25 years now, and my mission has always been able to provide free home workouts that everyone can do that are most importantly effective, but can be fun as well at the same time. So next move, we're going to do 4 kicks, and then we're going to travel forwards and then do another 4 kicks. So let's go 4, 3, 2 and 1, then shuffle it back, and then give me 4, go 3, 2, 1, travel it forwards. That's good. So just keep alternating that, and whenever we're doing those kicks, really engage your core tummy muscles. And keeping that nice and controlled. Give me that kick. And bring that straight back. So while you're doing this side step, you can travel around the room. As I always say, make the most of the space that you've got. And let me know in the comments down below if you've been wearing any step tracker, how many steps that you did, because obviously it will always vary slightly. Someone might do slightly more, slightly less. So next move coming up, we're going to just travel forwards, doing a hamstring curl and then a double arm pull down. So arms up, pull those arms down, just doing that hamstring curl. Take it forwards and then back. And it's amazing how quickly we can accumulate those steps as well. And that's why I think it's quite fun now having this step counter. So let's just keep going. And you can see now that is 1,500 steps. So we've got less than 1,000 steps to go. So let's just keep going. And do also let me know, are you more motivated by the step count or the countdown timer? I'd just be interested your thoughts on that. So let's just keep going side to side. Give me that little bend. So next move coming up, what we're going to do, we're going to have some fun here. We're going to kick that leg in front and we're going to go for doing a clap, and then we'll do a hamstring curl. So we're combining a couple of moves here. So knee comes up, give me that clap for 4, then take it hamstring curl, push those arms back, and again travel forwards for 4, and now travel that back. And again, keep that body nice and tall as you're doing that. So we've now got, look at that, less than 5 minutes to go. So let's bring that back now and let's really up that speed. Let's have some fun now. Let's make exercise really fun. Let's think about why we're doing this. We're not doing this to change your body. We're doing it to look after your body. All right, so this is just a great way to really take control of our health. So next move coming up, we're going to travel forwards with a little toe tap. So we're just doing that little bend and we're going to pull both arms down. So we'll get ready and just now arms up and now just give me that little bend. That's it. And then travel that back. And then keeping that going, that's good. Bend through. So this one here is going to really help to build lower body strength. Both arms coming down. Nice control, that's good, and well done. Last one on there. All right, let's bring that straight back now. And just keep moving. Again, make the most of the room that you've got. Travel that round. And it's always a really good thing to just think, you know, think with each exercise, how many joints you're working. Think about what muscles you're using as well. So next move, we're going to travel forwards. And we're then going to go for doing leg kicks. So get ready and give me that leg kick and now travel it back and then take it forwards and then go for 3 of those kicks and travel it back. And now take that opposite leg, 3 kicks and then travel it back. That's good. Then take it forwards and just keep alternating the leg that we're kicking. And again, this one, whenever we do these leg kicks, it's really good to work on your core strength. Also really good for your balance as well. Brilliant. All right, let's bring that straight back now to that side step. Keeping that going. So we've nearly finished today's workout. Keep that focused. All right, that's good. Side to side. Keep that bend in the arms. Travel that round the room if you can. So next move, this one here, we're going to really activate more through the glutes. We're just going to step forwards and we're tapping that foot behind and do a double arm press in front. So push those arms in front and just tap that foot behind. So that one there is working a little bit more through the glutes. And here, as we're doing that push, that's working more through the chest. And these are also really good to help with your posture as well. All right, that's it. Nearly done on that move. And now let's bring that straight back now, back to that fast little side step. So let's really increase that speed now. Try and get as many steps in as you can. And because this is a low impact workout, so it's safe on your joints, we're just using body weight, you can do this as often as you want. And it might be a fun way that you want to do it again later in the day just to increase that step count. So next move coming up, we're going to travel it forwards and we're going to do a single arm punch, then a double arm punch on the way back. So let's travel that 4, go 3, 2 and 1, and then take it back with a double arm punch. All right, that's good. So again here, what I'm doing is deliberately making them a little bit more challenging with coordination because that's going to really help increase what we refer to as your motor skills. And again, take that forwards, punch, and then you're just shuffling that back, doing double arm punch. All right, well done. Bring it straight back now, back to that side step for me. Step it one side to the other. Nice bend through the knees. That's good. So we've got less than a minute to go. Let's just keep going. And we'll just have a look now at that final move coming up. So this is a really lovely one to finish on. We're just going to do a step forward and just do big sunshine arms for me. Travel that forwards and then travel that back. So let's get ready. And reach those arms up, open them out nice and wide. So just think how many joints you're working here. Your ankle, your knee, your hip joints, your shoulder joints, elbow joints. And this is all about feel good exercise, easy, effective ways to take control of our health at home. Last little bit, let's just keep going till we've reached our 2,500 steps. And look at that, you've done it. So well done. Now, what is important, we don't want to just stop straight away. So let's slowly start to bring your heart rate back down. Just bring that pace down. And take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Just shake out those arms, because what we're going to do some really lovely stretching now. So a first stretch we're going to do is we're going to step that foot behind and just feel that stretch through the back of the lower leg. Just have the hands on that bent leg in front. And the benefit of this, when we stretch, it helps to prevent any muscular injuries, soreness, and it's also good to realign the body. Let's take that now to the opposite leg. And if you have enjoyed doing these indoor walking workouts, then I have got a new series of products which are home workout cards, so you can create your own indoor walking workouts. But I'll leave details down below if you want to find out more. So now let's do that hamstring stretch. And just have those toes lifted, feel that through the back of the upper thigh. All right, that's good. And then holding that there, let's now come up, take that to the other leg. Just again, feel that stretch, toes lifted. And now we'll get ready to take that to a quadricep stretch. Use a wall if you need to for balance. Have that supporting leg slightly bent. Feel that stretch running down that bended leg through the front of the thigh. And let's take that now to the other leg. Again, make sure that standing one, you've just got that slight bend through the knee. It just means we're not putting any pressure through your knee joint. And now let's take those arms in front. Get a lovely stretch through the top of your upper back. And now take those arms behind and just feel that stretch through your chest. So well done, you did it. There is your high five. And as I always say, what you and I have just done is invested in your future health. So well done, and I'll see you tomorrow.